screen recording with VoiceOver, iPad or iPhone. You can use your iPad or iPhone to follow this tutorial. Screen recorders are used to record videos that teach how to do something on a device step by step. Because they are extremely easy to follow, the student or learner has freedom to stop to understand what's going on whenever he wants. They are often used by instructors to make the class interactive and engaging. In such a tutorial, voiceovers are widely used to help the student or learner understand the tutorial better. A tutorial without a voiceover is like to be boring as well as less engaging. Now let's learn how to enable screen recording. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Control Center, tap on the green plus button next to the screen recording control. Now your screen recording control is enabled. Screen recording. To start your screen recording, you can swipe down from the top right corner of your device. Then you can simply tap the screen recording button to start a screen recording instantly. If you want to record your screen with your voice for a tutorial or any kind of personal instruction, you have to enable the device's microphone before you tap the screen record button. Let's do that. Tap and hold the screen record button. Tap microphone to enable microphone. Now you can tap start recording to start recording your screen. So to stop the screen recording, tap the red flashing recording indicator in the status bar at the top left corner of your screen. That's it for this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. Assalamu alaikum.